Hair loss in a Persian cat is a common problem that many pet owners notice at some point. Understanding the possible causes and taking the right steps can help reduce hair loss and keep your cat's fur soft, thick and healthy. Regular grooming is essential for Persian cat because their long, dense coats are prone to tangles and matting. Brushing your cat daily helps remove loose hair, dirt and debris, which not only keeps the coat clean, but also reduces the risk of hair falling out in clumps. By maintaining a consistent grooming routine, you can prevent matting, minimize shedding, and keep your Persian cat's coat soft, smooth and healthy. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in maintaining a Persian cat's coat and preventing hair loss. Feeding your cat high-quality food that is rich in protein provides the building blocks needed for strong, healthy hair. Ensuring your cat receives a balanced diet with these essential nutrients supports overall coat health, helping their fur stay thick, shiny, and less prone to falling out. Keeping your Persian cat's skin clean is important for preventing hair loss and maintaining a healthy coat. Giving your cat occasional baths with a mild, cat-safe shampoo helps remove dirt, excess oils, and allergens that can irritate the skin. Clean skin reduces the risk of infections, itching and inflammation, all of which can contribute to hair shedding. Regular bathing, combined with proper grooming, ensures that your Persian cat's fur remains soft, healthy and free from conditions that may cause hair loss. Stress can be a significant factor in hair loss for Persian cat. To reduce stress, provide your cat with a calm and stable environment, a comfortable sleeping area, and safe spaces to retreat to when needed. Regular playtime and interaction help keep your cat mentally and physically stimulated, which can also relieve tension. By minimizing stress, you support both your cat's overall well-being and the health of its coat. If your Persian cat is experiencing severe hair loss, it's important to visit a veterinarian promptly. A vet can examine your cat to determine whether the hair loss is caused by skin infections, parasites, allergies or hormonal imbalances. Trimming a Persian cat's long fur can help reduce heat stress and make shedding more manageable. By carefully shortening the coat, you allow better airflow to the skin, which helps your cat stay cooler and more comfortable during warm weather. Trimming also makes it easier to brush out loose hair and prevents matting, reducing the amount of fur your cat sheds around the house. Consistent care not only helps prevent excessive shedding, but also promotes a soft, thick and healthy coat, ensuring your cat stays comfortable, happy and looking its best.